क्लास 9 संस्कृत chapter number 20 संस्कृत भाषायाः वैशिष्ट्यम्. Dear students, already we have seen first and second part of the same chapter in which we have seen introduction and beginning of the lesson. We have already seen the specialties of Sanskrit language. These videos are already linked into the description. Now today we are going to see the remaining lesson in detail. Before starting that, let us see the speciality of Sanskrit language. The sixth speciality of Sanskrit language, Sashtam Vaishishtyam. The sixth speciality. संस्कृत भाषायाः पंचतंत्र नामकः ग्रंथः प्रायः विश्वासु सर्वासु भाषासु अनुदीतः वर्तते. संस्कृत भाषायाः of Sanskrit language पंचतंत्र नामकः by the name पंचतंत्र ग्रंथः means book, प्रायः means generally, विश्वस्य means of the world, सर्वासु भाषासु सर्व means all and भाषा means language, अनुदीतः वर्तते. Anuditah means translated. So here the sixth speciality of Sanskrit language is the book called Panchatantra. In Sanskrit has been translated in all languages of the world. So this is the speciality of Sanskrit language. एतादृशं सौभाग्यम् अन्यस्य कस्यचित् भाषायां यः ग्रन्थेन अद्यावधि न प्राप्तम्. एतादृशं such as Saubhagyam means appreciation. We will take it as appreciation. Anyasya bhasha, another language. Granthena means book. Adyavidya, till today. Na praptam, do not receive. So the book of any other language has not been fortunate to receive such appreciation throughout the world. So here the sixth speciality of Sanskrit language is the book called Panchatantra. In Sanskrit, it has been translated into all languages of the world. The book of any other language has not been fortunate to receive such appreciation throughout all the world. See the word meaning. Vishwasya of the world. Sarvasu bhashashu anuditah means translated. Etadrusham such as Saubhagyam. Saubhagyam means fortunate. Fortunate. Anyasya kasyachit bhashaya. Anyasya bhashaya. Adyavidha, till today. Na praptam, has not received. So till today, any other language has not received this type of fortunate to be translated into almost all the languages of the world. See, the sixth specialty of Sanskrit language is the book by the name Panchatantra, which is written in Sanskrit language. It's a story book and it is translated almost in all languages of the world. Such a fortunate does not receive संस्कृत लिटरेचर दसकुमार चरित नामना वैदिक दसकुमार चरितम प्रसिद्धम कथा पुस्तकम. Prasiddham means famous and Katha Pustakam means story book is there. So there is a story book, there is a famous story book in Sanskrit called Das Kumar Charitam. Tasya Saptami Uchvase, Tasya means its, Saptami means seventh, Uchvase means section, Ekam Patram, one character, Per Varga Prayog Rahitani, Vakyani Vadati. The word Vakyani means sentences and Per Varga Prayog Rahitani without using later per. Vadati means speaks. So they are telling us that in Das Kumar Charitam, in which one character is there who speaks dialogues without using later per in his sentences. वर्णमालायाः अमुकान् वर्णान् विहाय संवादकरणं संस्कृते एव संभवति नान्यत्र. वर्णमालानाम् अमुकान् वर्णान्, वर्णमाला means alphabet, amukan means some of the, varnan means later, vihaya means by living or by giving a samvad karanam, to do conversation or to do dialogue. Sanskritam eva sambhavati, it is possible in Sanskrit language only. Nanatraya, nanatraya means not in any other language. So the seventh speciality of Sanskrit language, there is a famous story book in Sanskrit called Das Kumar Charitam, in which one character speaks dialogues without using later per and its associate per for ma during the conversation and without using some letters of alphabet is possible only in Sanskrit language and not in any other language. See the word meaning. The word Katha Pustakam means story book. Katha Pustakam means story book. Uchvase, Uchvase means section. Ekam Patram, Ekam means one, Patram means character. One character. Pa Varga Prayog Rahitani, without using later pa. During his conversation. Vakyani means sentences. Vadati means speaks. Varnamalaya amukan. Amukan means some of the. Varnan vihaya means by leaving. Samvad karanam to do conversation. Sanskrite eva sambhavati, sambhavati means possible. Is possible in Sanskrit language only. So here the seventh speciality of Sanskrit language is the book by the name Das Kumar शिशुपाल वध महाकाव्य. शिशुपाल वध महाकाव्य. शिशुपाल वध is a महाकाव्य. दकारस्य नकारस्य of letter the and letter न एकमात्रस्य वर्णस्य with the use of only this letter निर्मितानि पद्य. निर्मितानि पद्यानि. निर्मितानि means composed and padya means poem. अस्य प्रमाणानि सन्ति. प्रमाण means is a certificate or is a evidence for this example. See, the eighth speciality of Sanskrit language is it is possible only in Sanskrit language to write poetry using one letter or of alphabet. The poem in the poet in the epic called Shishupal Vadam composed by using only letter the and na by the great poet Magh are the evidence of this speciality. एवं संस्कृतस्य अनेकानि वैशिष्ट्यानि सन्ति. एवं means thus संस्कृतस्य of Sanskrit अनेकानि means many वैशिष्ट्यानि speciality santi are there. So thus Sanskrit has many specialities. See the word meaning. एकस्य वर्णस्य. एकस्य means of one. Later प्रयोगेन with the use काव्यकरणम means to write poetry or epic. To write a poetry or epic is only possible in Sanskrit language, not in any other language. Further, Mahakavi Maghin Veerchite. Veerchite means composed. Dakarasya of later the nakarasya of later na एकमात्रस्य निर्मितानि composed पद्यानि poem अस्य प्रमाणानि. प्रमाणानि is evidence. एवं thus संस्कृतस्य of Sanskrit. So here we have seen the last speciality of Sanskrit language is the poem which is written by Mahakavi Magh by the name Shishupal Vadam. The poem in that they have used only two letters of alphabet, letter the and letter na, and with the help of these two letters they have composed, created such a beautiful poem. So it is possible only in Sanskrit language, not in any other language. Thus many more specialities of Sanskrit language are there. Here our lesson number 20 संस्कृत भाषायाः वैशिष्ट्यम् is over. You may copy down the words